Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the destination of modern moms. Today we will make a hand puppet. It is very easy and simple to make these puppets. You can play with these puppets because you can move these puppets through your hand. Hope it might be a great fun for you all. Let's start. Dear mummies, similarly you can try to make any face from these hand puppets. You can use these puppets in storytelling, rhyme recitation and in any other activities also. It will be definitely be fun for your kid. If you like my video, do like and share my video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.